on something, a little passage about zoos, since we like animals and we're going to the zoo next week. Thought I would include that. But an article must have things about comparing. In order to compare and contrast an article, it has to have what? What does it have to have? Joelle? Can you sit up, please? Sit up, please. If we want to compare and contrast this article, what are two things this must have so we can compare and contrast it? It must have differences. What else must it have? Robert? Similarities. So in order to compare and contrast something, it has to have differences and similarities. If it only has differences, can you compare and contrast that?
Boys,
why not?
Basketball, I'm sorry to interrupt. You guys are learning wow, doing a great job, but anyone here that plays basketball, the game has been canceled, they should tell you.
Yeah. Because we had the other people had a forfeit.
Because we forfeited?
Because they graded.
Saber City didn't have their grades yet.
But you still
Saber City didn't have their grades yet.
So you guys just
Cool.
So no practice tomorrow? Oh, really?
We still have practice.
Oh, you still practice?
Because we might have other games. If we do make English forfeited.
Okay, back to this. Back to this. So if this only has differences, can you compare and contrast this article?
No.
Why not? Samira?
Because if you don't have anything
You don't have anything to compare. If you can only contrast things in this, then you can't fill out this Venn diagram because which spot would be empty? Which spot would be empty in this? Kai? Where's the compare go? In the middle. So the green would be empty. If there's only differences, this green part would be empty, right? So mind your own. Worry about yourself. Worry about yourself. So I'm going to pass out this article, and I'm going to pass out what we worked on yesterday. Samira, here's yours, okay? I wrote your name on it for you. So topic 1, you're going to write what one thing is, you're going to compare and contrast, and topic 2 is the other thing. You're going to have to figure out what two things you're going to compare and contrast. It has some similarities, some are just about topic 1, and some are just about topic 2. So this is on your own, or if you want to, you can speak to a partner who's next to you, but you don't have to do this by yourself, okay? So, Samira, then you can do it by yourself. Joelle. I'll explain some more once I hand it out to you. Christian? Tyrone? Hold on, I'm going to explain something else to you. Serenia. Okay. And Robert. Okay, so when you're reading this article, what did I do yesterday when I was reading my article? When I was looking back, what did I do? Okay? I circled and underlined. So I had you guys bring highlighters, so you can pick, you can highlight the differences, or you can highlight the similarities, or you can, some of you have multiple colors, you can do one for one thing and one for the other thing. Okay? So that's up to you. You can decide how you want to do that. If it helps you to maybe trace your Venn diagram in the same color, remember how I color-coded mine? So I had blue was koalas, purple was frogs, and green was for something that was similar between koalas and frogs. Yellowish green. So that helped me visualize where everything goes. So if you want to color code it, that's fine. Okay? And then just do this on the back side, the blank one, obviously, right? Hey, Joanna. Let's get started. You didn't already do it. And use those words that we talked about, different, same, similar. Do you need help to get started, Tyrone? Okay, so let's start reading the article. In the past, Sound it out. What's this word?
I haven't heard anything.
This word is enter. Sound out the rest. Enter. Not. Do you see an R right there? Yeah. Entertain. Entertain. Good job.
Strange or rare it's hard to zoom in different when I'm past. And how they notice them, and how they make friends.
Okay, so now that we've read the first
And then I
paragraph,
pass.
what do you think you're going to be comparing and contrasting? What do you think topic 1 and topic 2 are going to be?
Today is
Good job. So write those right here. Okay, Christian. You need help to get started? How much have you read? You already read all of it? So what 2 things do you think you're going to be comparing and contrasting?
I need highlighting.
You want to highlight first?
Yeah,
What 2 things are you going to be comparing and contrasting?
Wait, I got something. How the zoo change?
How the zoo changed.
The old zoo.
So the old zoo and the what?
The new one.
Good job. So that's what you're going to be comparing and contrasting. And how are you going to find out what information to put in the Venn diagram?
How it changed.
How it changed. So you're going to go through and highlight first? Mm-hmm. So you're going to highlight in orange what? Let's put this out in front of us just so we can look at it. 1 second. What are you going to highlight? Christian? Similarities or differences? Both? Okay. You should, why don't you highlight one and underline the other, okay? So you don't get mixed up what goes where, okay? Is this a similarity or just about one? Just about the old, so you're putting it right here?
Take care of it.
Good job. Excellent. What are you comparing and contrasting? Good job. So right there. Excellent. So where are you going to write that sentence? Right here. That's fine. Doing pass and what? So, are you underlining similarities or underlining differences? Okay. So, if this is different, what is this? Is this one about the zoo in the past or the zoo today? Mm-hmm. Oh, that's a comparison? Wait, you circle?
Oh. Yeah. And they're both busy.
And still do. So, where does that go? Good job, in the middle. You need to have at least
How do I put
2 in each circle. Joel, you do need to stop it.
How do I supposed to shorten it?
Good job, Joel. You got started fast. What's up today? Good job. You ready to have a comparison? What's it say? What does that say? Good job. People visit the zoo in the past and today. So what are some differences? What's something that are only happening today in the zoo?
And then cakes.
Yeah. So you can write that. Where would you write that? Good.
I just don't.
Good job. Good job,
I
Sophia.
don't
Color
know
coded.
what these are. Ow.
Do you want another highlighter?
I'm looking at my eyes.
What color do you want? So that can be one of them and the other color can be the other. Good job, Robert. You've got lots of things about the pencil.
But they are very different from the past. That's not even one.
I got it. Oh, you color coded and now you're gonna write
Not
them.
one.
There's two colors.
Different.
So orange is what?
How?
It's pink and orange are old pages.
Okay. What about the same? Is there anything the same in here?
Same
Pink.
and yellow.
Good job. So start writing it in. Do you need any help writing it in yet? You know what to do.
Today's due.
You know what to do? Okay, let me know if you have a question. Good job, Tyrone. Christian, good job highlighting.
I need to find some saying, but I'm trying to, but that's like.
So you have lots of differences, but you need to work on finding something that's the same. So what words did we talk about that might jog your memory about what would go in the compare section? What words? Remember?
Oh, that's what they have in common.
What?
Zoos were always fun for visitors.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, pencil. You said pencil, right?
Right.
A different one.
Yeah. So always fun for visitors. So is that about the past or the today zoo or what?
Well, it's about the old and
It's about the old and the new. So where
Well,
in here would
actually,
it
the
go?